What up, YouTube? It's your boy back again with another informative video about the Motorola One. The Android One device made by Motorola was announced a couple months ago. It was released overseas somewhere. I don't know where. I think India. I think maybe. But now it's finally over in the States. Selling it right now at Best Buy. So it's now available for $399.99. 400 big ones. Yeah. So if you're into pure Android, that's going to get you the latest updates to the newer software. Android One is your best bet, going the cheaper route versus than buying a Pixel phone, which costs you, $700-800. You can get you an Android One device on a more of a cheaper route. Now you do have other Android devices that's cheaper than this Motorola One. I guess it would depend on who you like. Do you have a preference for who designs a Motorola, an Android One device that you might like better than the other manufacturer? I don't know, but it's up to you. $400 is what you're going to pay for this at Best Buy. Now, the downfall is that it doesn't work with all networks, only the GSM. So, as you can see here, phone will not work with Sprint, Verizon, Boost Mobile, Virgin Mobile, or any other CDMA network. So that is the downfall with this Motorola One. Well, that's a lot of Motorola, ain't it? Motorola One. Yeah. Let's call it the Android One. I don't know. Anyway, there you go. And they got two colors. You got the white and you got the black. And some stores are actually do have them in stock. So let's see, you got here a couple of stores in my location that do have them in stock. So they are available in stock in stores as well as online. So there you go, another informative video for you. If you like what I do, give me a thumbs up. If you like it even more, subscribe. Peace.